Ya kini kejing yalang kebelalum do menteri rangba lawan menishim benta da kinong yalam jeng seng balang boper rengkat kejing dan lang usembut menteri rangba kejela uba presiden tensong ki menteri sorkar bat kibai. Ukonrad kongkal sangma ulieto bulapan paus kinong yalam seng balang ya kirai ki bak sorkar kala shem ha kabedai bat ki hinriu teli ki jaka ki bedan jeng kaja ha pedeng ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam bat kinong yalam seng balang kila ai kejing mud bat pensnguru badai ban sengap bat buram lem kejing terang jeng ki pat ba ki basa akitan kaput. Ulang bak sorkar ke lapan pau bahak kanu gejing penbet kan omla ban long ke babiang puralut sispa na ke sispa. Nerinkin persyang ban le ke babha ban bu hakmat ke baha kamiat jong pat ba. Ukonrat kongkal sangma ulong ba ensa ay ke kai pot ke bede gejing penbet yo put usam shikinong elam seng bhalang hadin gejing elang bat ki he jong katnat Home Affairs ke sorkar pedeng. Uliatu uru bak sorkar pedeng kala betha ya ke Survey of India bakane trilang bak jela Assam bat Meghalaya na benta banit sor jamin ni jaka ban ni penbet uput usam ubapura bat kene kakam kala sedang ban ya cekman ban cepen kan mau Hinriu teli jaka ke bak sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam kitmu ban penbet no uput usam hakawat ke benengkong ki kentop ya ke Tarabari Gizang Hahim Boklapara Khanapara Pilangkata bat Ratachera.
And the objective and the idea of this meeting today was really to give a bit more details about the basic understanding that Meghalaya and Assam have reached on the first 6 locations of the border dispute or the differences that we are having. And we have shared micro details, I should say, with them. We have not been able to give hard copies yet, but more or less I read out the entire details based on the principles that we have had agreed on and shared with them about which villages, which particular area and what ethnicity in which area is there, how we decided on one particular location, one village, whether Tarabari, Gizang, Hahim, what was the way we went forward, whether it's about Pilankata, Khanapara area or Ratache area. So we went into all those micro details and we have shared. The organizations had some concerns and they had again given us some more suggestions, and they have all stressed on the fact that the interests of the people living in the border should be maintained and they should be taken on board. They have also stressed that they would like to see the copy and have a copy, and I've told them that as soon as we are able to have the meeting with MHA, then at the appropriate time we will share the copy, for which, as I said, I've given the full details to them. So we shared the report, and it was very positive because all the organizations have felt that it is time that we should find some solution to this. And we also expressed to them that there will never be a 100% perfect solution, but we will try to make it as best as possible so that the interest of the people of our state are not compromised in any way. And while we look at all those aspects, we need to try to come to a solution that is going to be acceptable. And as I said, more or less we've shared that with them, and most of them expressed positivity in terms of the aspect that the government has at least taken the initiative to move forward, and they stress on the fact that the interests of the people of the state should not be compromised. So basically, after we have finalized on the different villages which should be in Assam or should be in Meghalaya, obviously we need to realize, or we need to finalize on what would be the actual demarcation of the line. Will it be next to the river? Will it be next to this tree? Will it be next to a reserve forest? Will it be the road? And if it is, then which is the mark? So Survey of India has been asked by Government of India to coordinate and do joint inspection and joint survey with Government of Assam and Government of Meghalaya, and ensure that we are able to come to some kind of a more micro drawing of the actual line, so that we can actually have a proper boundary in the long run.
When do we expect that this survey will take place?
The process has started already, and so meetings are taking place. There are many locations, so I'm sure it will take a bit of time, but we are pushing them to ensure that full support from both the state governments are there, so that we can finish it at the earliest.
Habayakran beginong yalam seng halang ki penpau bakim syem lala ban ai kanu karai ban ai jingkersan ne ban menjur ya kene kakam ne penbet yo put usam namar bakim padi i ya kakai pot alor put usam. Presiden ka KSU Lambok Starwell Marngar ulong lada kakai pot kendai ke bapin snosi ne pendukut jubor ka kendau ka siap jang kejat benriau ka KSU kan omla ban priang. Bat kat ba kidang ape ka kai phot nak sarkar ka KSU kan ihyar hi shikin riu ti kisnong ban sngap ka surjong pat ba kinong sensyar snong bat ki hima. Bat ban penmi ela ka jong ka kai phot halor pu sam. Kadbau Presiden kah Nyautrap Youth Council u Robert June Kharjarin ulong ba kan omla ban pediang ba ki bamde ki trai jela ki besyong wai ki jaka jong usiem bakin shimekarai ban iso ba jela asam. Nrai de ban rai de ki trai kendo. Ulong ba ka sarkar ka dairu ban chim khya ba ki jaka kum ki khlau ki betap lani ki jaka bamdan snong ki badang dehi jong ka jela kim de ban let poi e shaka asam. Kumta ke sarkar jela ka di bani merjengbut bat ka KHEDC ni ki borshnong ban pensisha halor ke jinglong trai yakum kini ke jaka.
Ti nadu kasian ke banangkong ngi dang ong ke sarkar bangi kwa lang ke ka report uni komiti ke ba ladap ban kompai ke ladap ban sngap ya ke jing sngo jong kinong song snong ti area. Nam ta ki kot kisla khantam ki et ki hima bat ndak kren sai nak bas dang yong ba hoi ka jing sngo ba kamon chot ba ka dei ka wei sebentar jong ka jai lenti hanrei ya kata ka paket ne ka stri bakrau jong jat pendring ngon pan klat lo put usam ti hade klipmat mangi ya kadam neru ngi long ba ngim tip tho yu ta ka report ngi mi tingi persang ban pan ka ong ba sarkar kam pala ban aya manta ti ngi ting syong ba ngi dang pingor kita kam hanrei lada kita ka report ke bolong ban persopsi ne ke ban dukut jubor ya kendo kesiat jong kajai pendur jong jelang sarai enam lak ban pria ti ngi nang ye peteng ne kam ban budien haju ke por ngi sa hiar sikini kisnong kini ki hendu teli area ban snol jong ki khmat ki skor ban sngap ye ki nong song snong kam tam ki nok sen it ki nok sen snong ki it ki hima bangen yo ki jing sisa bar khot ti ka kongsan ko long ba ngila persisong perkat niseng tikap bidang up kita ke report yang government ngiring salek lagi jong ke report sang kompai lagi jong ke report tang ini ki henry teli ki ire ya borok ha teli ki ire ba ngi ada banyak dok ki ire ngi nang pekrek ke report le jong ngi sepet ke report ngi to compilation jong government kalong kumnu ba jungi kalong kumnu bangi hap ban ya teri rangkat ngi nang keren rangkat ki no successional kham tam ke district council ke dei ke wei kata kaslam ke ban la ban penmi ne ban ban asis lang ki jing sisa kam tam ki duler jong ki kot selaju kendo siap wade hok jong kajat pendu jong celah bro ko na ko ka kting sngo ba kalong kababet na ko ka kting so ka don ka jing toko de lo kata kanong rem ka bang isong bang ni pan ki pon re ngim pat yo tingi takdong ni hapan persang ban li mbok la ka jong ho ki don ki benta bang ada ban jurep ngi ada pan sngo sarkar ndai long ka kam dei ka ba long bej ni so thu hi kata andai ki ei bengi ban ya ka government ka long ba kam dei pat ban le kai bat ka khando ka siap bat ka jing sngo ba jing ut jing nam jong so
ngi kali bala da phishim bej da ta ka jing ong na ki jing don jong kinong snong la ki de ki ethnicity la ne da ta ka jing mon jong kinong snong kan ja yu ye kini ki lum bat ki khlau ki bom song breu monu ban rai ya kata marom don breu kini ki lum bat ada village ha kan ni ka 6 area sector like no ka pilang kata kina para ke bagi bun ki ka jaka ka bala da syong breu re ki bobun ki de ki lum ki bun ki de ki khlau ka wei ke de gizang forest reserve forest ke ba notify bat ka sam han re kumbang tip ye kisah-kisah tar kan ni kadang kadi ka khndo kur jong ki kur khasi kum hanong spung kitu kisnong ki bahap po himanong spung la ne bat ki wei ki hima po Rimboy district kini ki breu ki shem ye ki kot patana ka dorbar hima ki dei tang ki nong song wai ki dei tang ki poi wir bat ki poi ei ki khar bodo ki khar boro ki khar hajong ki khar yu yum tip tu khar yu tu ki dei tang ki nong poi ei kumnu kini ki nong song wai bat ki poi ei kin rai kin ras ei khndo ka bom la long am kata ka bahap bat ban rai do try khndo kan yu im himanong spung kan yu hab ban rai kumnu ngin sngap ia ka opinion ki jong kini ki poi ei bat ki poi wir uni uhajong uboro uba shongwai ha po ki manus pung un rai sa bangan ra no ka himanus pung sa asam ka ba malong mata namar balai menta lada ka sarkar wasam ko ong ba compare da pidon ha asam makna pinne ki trai khndo haba ya ka ne ka khndo long trai ka himanus pung kumnu ka himanus pung kan let pin iya ka bo jong ka ha asam haba ya ka bo jong ki shim na ka sik schedule ha asam ti hot ki don ki karbi ki don yu henry ka kasihil atau mersusil kam la ban trai kam po asam te tidak wengi la adu mentala da kini ki poi wir mentang ngi ngap no ya ka suru ki poi wir bat jong kini ki nong song wai kin le cha sam kumut ngi la adu sendan tu kendo Tola da kidi ki jaka shimet let's say kila bandon jaka samro let's say kam kata mo riha ye kini ki khendo rirai ki khendo jong hima phinle kumno kata di we saka ba lai ka bangi la object bahana ka leng kai si ka long ba imat kala don ke jing ya hun lang ban penon kam ya ka adverse possession ru kum ka we na ki mat ban ya rai halor pur usam adverse possession kamut monu ba penon kam lanu monu ba bat ya kata ka jaka kata ka por hanrila da village ha border philap ki bobun ki surok ki bobun ki development ka le ka asam ki NRJS ka le ka asam te kamut adverse possession ka don asam til dang ngile am tan ne keren lang pi ne keren blok on blok tu lakut sendan ni ken te nak daw nak liang ka jongi ngila risk objection ba adverse possession kam dei ban dei ki mat la ne kita ki principle ki ban guide la ne ki ban yalam nanti yang iha kane ka ban ne pen bet ki ba dei ban yalam nanti ki dik santli ka history ki paj ba nong snong ka jing mon dang paj ba jong ki try om dei jong ki poiwer ka jing jengai ka jing jan bat ka jing ya peteng jong ka khandau ka siap nomor phenum la ban ba usnong asam on don pedeng sarau da ki snong khli akum ka taru kanom don ti khadu khadwai pat ngi ong ba ya kani ka kam na kaleng choi sing la ya sedang bat ki hima ngi ya sedang bat ki snong ki thau ngi don ru ka jing ya kandu ba ka disongsil la pos la na kani kam mangi khlam pat rai ru em ha kani ka meeting kam semdon kanu kono ka resolution na ne ka rai ha kani ka meeting ni na kaleng ka jong ka sengin phai biang bat kini ki try bat ki hima bat ki snong ba ka disongsil pan pan bet ya kani kam bat ngi da kwa ru ba ka sokaru kam kadi ban apswa ka opinion jong ki try jaka kadi ban long ka ba kodor ka ka prosedur han rejing sha kini ki public document ya ka ba phinam la ban buri man phiburi man ta makna hakoi ka por ka kini kimde ki dokumen ka ba sha protect da ka RTI ang manu la ban yo kini ki dokumen ta baladang i fai ta ngila ban fai na ministry ngila ban fai na CMO office ngila ban fai na no ngila ban yo kini ki dokumen hakoi ka singi te ka ka ba pan lang sarkar on buri sa ikot ngintep